I'm a veiny. I got a bunch of veins all throughout my arms and and all in my hands from scrubbing and tubbing and dubbing y'all hair all day. Okay. So and another thing. So pretty much, and also most of my clients that have getting weave, there is no relaxer. So we have braids at the base. It takes a longer time to shampoo a hair weaving client. Just a shampoo alone, I think a shampoo session take around 15, maybe 20 minutes. Just to get your hair shampooed. Because we are putting antiseptic. We love to use Dudley. We also use our own, but primarily use Dudley and other scalp antiseptics, because we have to, number one, let the get all the bacteria off the scalp. So that takes about a good 3 to 5 minutes, just letting it sit. Then on top of that, for all those who got the adhesive, all you guys that's wearing the adhesive, child, let me turn on this daggone car. Getting my battery down. Okay. I got some lights on. So with the adhesive takes on to remove the adhesive, it takes about 30, 40 minutes, especially for y'all who don't come to the shop like y'all supposed to. Some of y'all be breaking all the rules and still be trying to fly about this shop. Okay? Act like we don't have to perform a miracle. When we remove this adhesive, the glue, especially the longer that you wait, if you go outside of 4 weeks, it takes longer. And it's funny, I used to not be able to really realize that until I started getting clients who wanted to come once a week or every 2 weeks to get their hair removed. The glue removal process is an extensive one. So one of the tips that you probably could do is get you some 99 alcohol, or get you some C22 remover from the supply store, maybe even Amazon, or you can purchase it from us. We have direct connections with Walkers, who supplies that the manufacturer. There's a lot of different different type of manufacturers out there by some Asian brands who are making fake products. Okay, fake. So so that's one thing that can be done. So that can help to loosen up. Cause see what it is, it's kind of like, I guess I don't know if it's the same as like getting your nails done, but just imagine something picking up, especially for those who wait 6 weeks to get and 7 weeks to get their maintenance. The glue is just hardening, it's caking up. Debris is adding on top of this. And so that takes longer. Okay, so that's one thing that takes longer. I gotta hurry up because I ain't got much time on my phone. Okay, I be talking too much. So that's rule number 1. So that's something you can do probably to loosen up your the adhesive on your install. Okay. Step number 2. You could purchase the and then another thing, sometimes reason why it takes so long, we have to sometimes do a 3rd and 4th shampoo when we are removing. That's why I don't know if I'm gonna do a class on that, but you may have to get private lessons for that, for people who want to know how to keep up the weave maintenance after you install it in your client's head. You have to use we use certain special shampoos to strip the oils that we have placed on the hair to to remove the hair replacement system. And so we have to shampoo your hair sometimes 3, 4 times. Sometimes I have shampoos on my hair 5 times. So so the cleaning, the biggest thing is the cleaning and drying process. And then after that step, the hair has to dry for about a good hour and a half. Sometimes, in some cases, I used to do an hour 45, but people just they're so impatient. So I've lessened that. So before you can apply any adhesive, that hair system needs to be completely dry. If you do not, it's going to lift. And then you're not going to come back to me. That's why you wait so long in the shop, okay? So that's some of the process. So that's probably about a good 2 hours there. That's about a good 2.5 hours, about right there. Sometimes we can be 30, 40 minutes at the shampoo bowl with some individuals because they waited so long and the glue has gotten so hard. And plus, they be working out. And then some of y'all be trying to, some of y'all, okay? Some of y'all be trying to put glue on top of glue, on top of glue, after you come from the weed doctor, so you have to pay me for weed maintenance. So, when you do this, the glue is, child, it's about to be a disaster. It's about to be ugly. You're going to be sitting at that bowl, probably about to get a cramp in your neck. Okay? So that's, so I'm just telling you guys. So this is how you're going to avoid this, sis, okay? Let me tell you. First things first, now, and this is what some of the other coaches do, other hair replacement companies. They, especially other nationalities that's not used to sitting in the salon all day. See, in our culture, a lot of us has gotten used to sitting in the salon all day. So some of the other coaches, they purchase 2 units. This is how, girl, this is going to save your whole entire life, okay? You want to know how it's going to save your life. And especially, you might want to learn how to buy some of that glue remover, baby. So that all you got to do when you come to the shop, that wig is up off your head, sis. Okay? Up off of it. The wig is up off your head. And a lot of the glue has already melted. So then, guess what? All we got to do is shampoo you. A quick shampoo. Because all you have is the foundation of the braids underneath. Or if you bald, you don't have any hair. That's even quicker. And then after that, we put you underneath the dryer. Anywhere, if you don't have hair, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, or if you have hair, probably about 25 to 30 minutes. And then we can start applying the adhesive. So you see how we have cut down some steps by doing that? Then we can start styling the unit. And if you get real smart and in high tech, you can probably even drop off the unit so that we can, and in advance, because some of y'all be coming, child, I got a whole bunch of clients. So some of y'all be trying to drop off y'all wig at the last moment, and then I don't have time to do all the prep work. So then that's why you're waiting longer. So that's another reason why you can wait long too. Okay? So, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Also, we're offering a more speedier service. If you that's going to be between $220 and $240, where we're going to be putting and it's not, I don't know if we're going to include the cap on that, because people, they complaining too much. Y'all complaining too much. Complaining! Okay? And then y'all want to look fabulous, but y'all don't want to do all the steps. So we may only, and plus, a lot of other stylists, I find, even celebrity stylists, I'm finding out they are not for the maintenance. Keep reapplying that stocking cap every time, because it just takes too long. And it's, either if you're getting your hair redone or not. So you can still get the same look. So probably with that one, unless you have a lot of hair underneath, we're probably just going to do a basic, just pretty much where your part is at for the stocking cap. We're not going to be doing all that extra work because we want to get people out. So that's a more faster service that you can get. That's going to be, like I said, between $220 and $240 or $245. And that one takes off at least about a good hour and a half or more on the service. And if you want to go even faster than that, buy the 2 wigs and drop off the unit prior so that we can start prepping it. And you can also use some of your alcohol before you arrive, and your glue solvent and also some of your hair glue remover, and let that sit on your scalp and hair. So all of these things can be done to make you have a more speedy and more less stressful time. I know y'all like me. Y'all might not like me that much. Okay, y'all got things to do. Chad and the Weave Doctor got things to do. We all trying to go home, okay? We all trying to go home, baby. I used to be in the shop at 1 o'clock in the morning, baby. I ain't trying to duplicate them days. So, baby, I'm going to give y'all a whole bunch of tips, okay? Stay tuned for the next hair tip. I don't even know what else to say. I'm about to say hair tip transformation, but stay tuned, honey. We're going to be giving plenty more tips on how to keep that wig intact, baby, and how to lessen the amount of time that you at the shop. All right. See you later.